All right. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who's watching this video. As you know, I am your host, Mario Dakers, aka Military Guna. Oh, Military Guna TV. So, welcome again to Military Guna TV, people. I have good news. I have good news. I believe that this is good news. As you can see, things are starting to take a turn for the Jamaican football industry. It is getting more and more recognition, and people are understanding what's happening more and more. And now you have people coming inside the country from various places scouting our Reggae Boyz. Not our Reggae Boyz, our local talent also. But this time around, we're speaking about a former Harborview player, Oquassa Chong, and the move that he made to a Danish team. But we'll get into that. Let me get into that. What's the Danish? a team in Denmark, the Denmark First Division. But before I do that, before I get into the details, I would implore you guys, please, guys, my dream, my aim, my target is to hit the whole per thousands of subscribers. And only way I can achieve that is by you guys assisting me achieving my target and my aim, my dream, my goal. And you have to set a goal, people. If you want to reach anywhere in life, you have to set a goal. You have to have goals, people. And this time around, I'm actually depending on you guys to help me with that. So smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you're helping me to achieve those thousands of subscribers that I wish I would have. But everything takes time. So guys, let's get straight into the meat of the matter. Let's get straight into the details. Let's get into the details, people. Sorry about that. I do apologize. Yeah. So, people, before I say anything, I want to apologize in advance about the pronunciation of the club. I think it's pronounced Esbjerg. I think that's how it's pronounced. I think the J is silent. That's how the Denmark people speak. But Esbjerg or Esbjerg. I assume that's how it is. But let's get into the meat of the matter. Esbjerg Football EFB associates young Jamaicans. No, young Jamaicans. That's why Jamaican. Why is it Jamaican? But anyways, this is Google Translate, people, so you can read it in any way. Oquassa Chong is a new man in Esbjerg FB. As a striker, has signed a contract until summer of 2025. Wow. So that's a 3-year contract. The 20-year-old Jamaican joins from his home country, Harborview FC. I should have said home country team. But as I said, people are Google Translate, so I know a few things might be just a little bit off. Let me can widen the screen for you guys. A few things might be a little bit off just by how they pronounce, and yeah. Let's we're shut on. Esbjerg FB joins 28. Joins I'm put it now. Oquassa Chong, 20-year-old, joins Esbjerg FC on a long-term agreement until summer of 2025. The striker joins EFB from Harborview FC from his home country, Jamaica. See, that's what I tell you. Google Translate, people. Admin director Jans Hammer Sorensen says, through our network, we have gained knowledge of Oquassa Chong, who is an exciting young striker who was an untapped potential. Untapped, really, really good work. Good work. I like the structure, that untapped potential, which means that it's a gem. It's a diamond, a rough in the edge diamond. We need to just refine. Once you get that little refinement, yeah, it will become a very, very valuable diamond. So Oquassa has so far only performed in his home country, Jamaica. So it will be a big step up for him to come to EFB, but we are ready to work with him and look forward to the collaboration. Facts. Name Oquassa Chong, born birthday actually March 6, 2001. Previous club Harborview FC. And I would definitely love to get some insight onto how this deal broke down. But as I told you people, I'm a freeze. As I told you people, things are happening for the Jamaica footballers. Things are really happening for the Jamaican football. I know most of you guys would have seen him. Most of you guys are looking forward to him, to see him perform. And now this is now forcing me to go and watch Danish football in Denmark league. People, he's going to a team. This team Esbjerg. I should have called Esbjerg. Let me see if I can pronounce. Esbjerg. Esbjerg, I assume. So people, if I'm getting wrong, please correct me, people. Let's go in the comment section and correct me. Whilst you're doing that, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also drop what you think about this move. He's going to the top tier division, but the problem is this team is actually in 8th position. They are struggling. They're struggling to find goals. So it definitely they are looking for a talisman, and they seek out Oquassa Chong as their new fulfilling talisman to fill that gap. I'm hoping that this move really work out for the young man, because I'm telling you, he has bags of potential. Bags, and I mean bags of potential. As the technical director said, untapped potential, and he's ready to mold him into that type of player that you'd want to see. And I am looking forward to see him on the bigger stage. And this year is actually a move which can put him closer to playing in those top tier league. Closer, people. More scouts are in these areas, more eyes are in these areas, and I think that this is setting him up for the right move. So he's doing it at the right time as well. He's just 20 years old. Time is there for him to improve, and time is there for him to master his craft. And I really mean master his craft. So I'm looking forward for good things with this player. As I already told you guys, I spoke to you guys already about this situation, that we have a lot of scouts looking at the Jamaican football. A lot of scouts. People are saying, the ball is not good, and there's no talent here, this or that. People, you guys are saying that, but from what I'm getting vast different information from that people. I'm getting way different information. Maybe it's just people who just how could I put it now? As I'm saying, people, the guys that are reaching out to me are giving me a different vibe from what our locals or even Jamaicans in diaspora are saying about our talent. Different vibe. A lot of people are saying that these players are not good. Some of these ballers are this and some of these ballers are that. Maybe we can definitely pinpoint that their attitude, their mental frame is not at the right place. That is why it's important for players, even like Oquassa Chong at his age, to go in a professional setup, to realize how important it is to be in that type of setup to further your footballing career and to make that next step. So I just think that is the problem. I am happy that he didn't make the typical move, which is to the USA, the USL or the MLS. I'm really happy that he didn't make that typical move. It steps out and make a different move, trying to, just as well. I said I really congrats him, Shamar Nicholson, for coming out of that comfort area, make himself uncomfortable before you can start reaping that level of success, because that's how you grow. If you sit comfortable, I highly doubt that you would start grow. So more work, and you put in more work, you definitely will reap that success. So Oquassa Chong to Esbjerg. Let me pronounce that correct. I don't know if I pronounce it correct. People go in the comment section and tell me. Esbjerg, FB. But definitely, people, I think it's a good one. And I'll see you guys again. Go in the comment section, people. Tell me what you think about this one and what do you expect from this young man. Because I'm telling you, as the technical director said, he's an untapped gem, untapped potential, ready to hit the market. So, people, big up, people. And this has been a good one. Military Guna TV, bringing you guys the latest update. And as always, and I am out.